What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on HODL token. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Webull, valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. So, and let's start with their official website. On their main page you can see this definition. HODL works on an autonomous frictionless yield farming and liquidity generation protocol. Simply hold HODL tokens in your wallet and you will get more. In addition to this, you will also earn daily rewards in BNB. Accumulating wealth was never this simple. And in my opinion, this statement is the main statement that makes this token so juicy for potential holders. And here is the introduction. Features. Earn BNB by holding HODL. 4% of every transaction is taken and redistributed to all HODL holders in BNB. Accumulate BNB by holding the HODL token. This is the main feature of this token. 100% this is the main feature. Automatic liquidity pool. 4% on every transaction contributes toward automatically generating further liquidity on PancakeSwap, benefiting long-term for HODL holders the most. So it's quite common. RFI static rewards. 2% on every transaction is taken and redistributed to all HODL holders. The burn address is also a holder, thus each transaction helps deflate the supply. Okay. Inbuilt anti-whale mechanism. Transactions sell-buy that trade more than 1% of the total supply will be rejected. Well, that's interesting. Whales who make transfer between two wallets that is larger than 1% of the total supply will be charged 1 BNB, which will further be donated to charities. Interesting, very interesting policy of anti-whale mechanism. Highly secured. All initial liquidity provided will be locked with Unicrypt. The contract is trustless for HODL community. We will release the audit reports shortly as they are under progress. So they will have an audit report. Built for the community. HODL is a community-driven token built on Binance chain. It will be available on Unicrypt for presale with no transaction fee for early investors. PCS launch price will see at least 10% uplift and introduction of transaction fees. Okay. So let's continue. HODL investment and rewards calculator. Enter BNB amount to invest. For example, 1 BNB, roughly $300, 1.25 billion tokens on balance. Daily rewards on BNB about $3, I guess. Yearly rewards on BNB 3.94 BNB coins. Okay. Not so bad. These are estimates and not a financial advice, as usual. So, okay, you can play with this calculator bar yourself. It's rather interesting. It's not so complicated and it is easy to use. Well, tokenomics. Total supply 1 quadrillion HODL. They burned 23.6. Let me show it to you right here. Holders. We are on BSC scan and as you can see, for now they have 50,000 addresses and yes, they already burned almost 25% of total supply. As you can see, this is the dead wallet. And let's continue right here. 5% airdrop, 66.4% for presale and launch. Okay, team gets only 1% and 4% for marketing, and we burned 23.6%, and it is outdated. They burned almost 25%. Okay, roadmap. So where are we now? Ongoing partnership with listing sites, Nomics, Blockfolio and exchange like Bitmart, and they already have a partnership with CoinGecko, CoinLifeWatch and CoinMarketCap. In 4 months, NFT launching. In 6 months, gamification. So rather interesting, and it is very new token, and that's why it is very risky. Let's continue with their Twitter, official Twitter. For now they have 28,000 followers, and The last couple of days have been crazy. We tripled our holders to 26,000 plus and hit a market cap of 70 million. And our daily BNB pool is now at 1.2 million USD. Calling out all holders to post their BNB claims here. Let's go and show what others are missing. By the way, guys, here is the main part. You have to claim your BNB by yourself. It isn't an automatic process, and if you want to be rewarded with BNB tokens, you have to claim them by yourself. On their FAQ section, you will find all the answers how to do so. And let's continue with the Twitter. It is just retweets. 5 figures hit 10,000 holders. On May 26th, they hit 10,000 holders, and for now they already have 50,000 holders. So, as you can see, this is the most popular coin for now. And right here you can see that, wait a second, its total tradable volume for now is more than doubled since yesterday. And it is very, very indicative that we are on the very top of the hype at the first wave at least. And that's why you have to be extremely cautious. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, as you can see, we have this huge movement, and from the bottom to the top, it already made about 3,000%, and it's quite huge. So, and what should you do? I think according to this data, I think it is some kind of triangle, and this formation we can find on the 4th wave. And usually this formation shows us that we have to have a breakout and we have to finish the 5th wave. This means our Elliott wave breakdown might be like this. This is our 1st wave, this is the 2nd, this is the 3rd. For now, this is the lowest point of the 4th, and we have to finish our 5th wave. And how to define these targets? Basically, let me show you this. First of all, let's compare the length of the 1st wave and the length of the 3rd wave. And to do so, I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top of the 1st wave and to the bottom of the 2nd wave. And right here you can see that we hit 2.618 and we had the reaction right here. Then we poked through and again fell down at this huge sell-off. And it's quite technical. As you can see, it is a very bullish sentiment because we hit 2.618 on the 3rd wave, and that's why we can have an extension on our 5th wave. And how to measure the 5th wave? So I pull the Fibonacci extension tool, the same tool, from the bottom of the 3rd wave to the top of the 3rd wave and to the bottom of the 4th wave, to the retracement. And with the assumption that we have to land the top of our 5th wave, and it will be only the 1st wave on a greater scale. For those of you who already follow my channel quite some time, you already know that we have a fractal movements. This means we have waves inside the waves, inside the waves, and so on and so forth. So, with the assumption that we have to land our 5th wave, the top of our 5th wave, usually we have this level as our primary target. But with the total bullish sentiment and with the total hype around this token, I think we might have all the targets that are above our current level. So let's assume that our main target will be at 1-to-1 extension level. Let me mark it for you. Here is our first target, and let me switch to green color. Green color, okay. And a little bit less, yes. And the next target might be at 1.618 extension level, and the next potential target also might be a little bit higher at 2.618 extension level, and even further. But for now I don't think that we might rely on these targets, because you have to be extremely cautious, and I will show you in a minute why. And basically from our current price we might have about, let me show it to you, we might have about 86% to our conservative target, about 153% to our second target, and 260% to our third target. And what should you do if you want to invest in this coin? First of all, you have to do your own due diligence. and it is a must when you decide to invest in particular asset. Next, you have to follow my 3 simple rules. First of all, do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. Second one, do not go all in. And third one, do not put stop loss close to your entry price. These rules are extremely important. Only with these rules you will be able not only to protect your capital, but also have some juicy profits with the minimum amount of risks. So, if you want to invest in this coin, you can ladder your buys down, and we have to hold this lowest support. And if we will break it with the conviction of volume, and it is still possible, we have to hold this line, this bottom point. And if we will break this point, it will indicate that we might land on following Fibonacci levels. Let me show it to you. I pull a Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom to the top. As you can see, we hit 0.5 level with the bottom of our 4th wave, and it is very healthy, I have to say. But if we will break this level, we might land at 0.618, and let me add one more level to this tool. We have to add 0.65 level and make it in a gold color, because it is a golden pocket, and for now it is a very familiar tool for you. And this level 0.65 and 0.618 is the most probable level of trend reversal. So if we will have a breakdown, if we will break this lowest line, this lowest support, we have to hold this level at 0.65, and if we will break it, our next potential accumulation point will be at this point, and it will give you much more attractive average price, and it will give you much more juicy profits in the future. That's why you have to ladder your buys down. Always ladder your buys down. So I think that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. In this case you won't miss my next video. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!